Okay, so quick thoughts on what's going on. It's about 4:30, and it's gonna start raining around 6:30. So I think unfortunately the engine's not coming out today. I'm gonna call it quits. I got the car moved back a little bit. I do have the hood off, and yeah, I was gonna do it, but once I saw the radar, I was like, nah. So I think we're gonna pull that tomorrow. I know, yes, I do have the hood off and it's gonna rain, but I do have a tarp for it. So I think that's what we're gonna do with it, is we're gonna throw everything underneath, we're gonna tarp it up. It's on the ground, and we're gonna pack everything up, and we'll be good to go for tomorrow. Tomorrow it's not supposed to rain at all. It's gonna be completely sunny. So I think that's what we're gonna do, is I'm just gonna cover this thing, make sure it stays out of the rain as much as it can, and then we'll go from there. But yeah, I would have loved to gotten this out today, but unfortunately, just with, even though it's nice and sunny right now, it's apparently not going to be. It's going to rain for most of the night. So I'm a little disappointed, I guess, kind of, that I didn't get as far as I wanted to. But I mean, at the same time, it's 4 bolts for the transmission mount, and then the trans is free, and then in the engine I actually already have free. The bolts are just in there loose, and then it can be lifted out. So I have everything hooked up, as you could see, and ready. So I also got the engine stand right there. So I'm just gonna push a lot of stuff into the garage, deal with this crap tomorrow, because unfortunately I just don't think I'm gonna have the time. I would have really liked to have gotten it out today, but I mean, just with, okay, stay. But just because of how today has been, I have to get it out, and then I have to clean everything up and get everything into the garage before it starts raining. And I don't think I'm gonna have enough time to do that, unfortunately. So, yeah, I don't want to get caught out in the rain and have to like rush and throw everything in here. So I'm not going to. You know, it's unfortunate, but it is what it is. I did my best. You know, if we didn't run into that issue with the exhaust, I'm pretty sure we would have had it out today. Unfortunately, we didn't. I'm gonna take the key with me. But yeah, so yeah, I'm just gonna grab everything, make sure I got nothing out in the driveway, like this, like my jacks. We're just gonna put you right here. Take this. I'm just gonna throw it right there, out of the way, just so the garage door can close. I don't really care if the garage is a mess right now. I'm gonna have to end up moving. That's the other thing. Garage is a bit of a mess right now. I'm gonna need to. I also, even though I kind of have a spot cleared, I need room to use the crane to bring it in, separate the transmission from the engine, and then pull the engine up onto the stand. So I want to move some of this stuff around, push stuff more towards the walls. And I don't, I probably should have done that before I came out here and started working on the car, but fuck it. That's just how it is. As you can see, everything is everywhere, like how it always is when I work on a car. So I want to be, taking all that into account. Although I always say, I don't like excuses. I just don't want to get cut out in the rain and get everything fucking wet. So I think that's going to be it for now. I'm going to go take a shower because you could see I'm dirty as all hell. Yeah. I look like I've gotten a serious tan, but it's only because I'm all dirty. So yeah, what I'm going to do is, I left a jack out here. All right, so last jack, it's the last thing in here. Remove power cord so you don't trip over it, because we know we will, because we're retarded. Yeah. So I'm gonna throw everything in here. As you can see, I got the wiring harness all free, all that crap. We're gonna hang this up a little bit so that way it's not hanging down in the rain. Same thing with this. Vacuum lines, even though I'm surprised they haven't broken yet. So yeah, we're gonna cover her back up, get to it tomorrow. Like I said, I really wanted to get it out today, but I just don't think I would have time to get it out, considering how some stuff has fought me today. really kind of pissed me off. So I'm gonna take a break. It's never good to necessarily some fucking copper up ahead. Yeah. But anyway, it's never good to really work on a car when you're fucking pissed, because you're just gonna start throwing shit and breaking shit, and you don't want to end up breaking shit and having to pay for it. You know, that's just at least that's how I am. So I'm just gonna get this covered up, and we'll deal with her ass tomorrow, because we don't want to mess with anything. So we take this, as you can see right here, we do that, throw it across. And it's right here, sick, right here. Where's the holes? Right here. Come on, butthole. Sorry, I need 2 hands. You guys aren't looking at anything. Okay, that's clipped. And this is water resistant, by the way, so don't worry about water getting on it. It'll be fine. So we're gonna take this around this. And we're just gonna hang this up into the frame, because fuck it. Yeah. It's just to hold it there so it doesn't go nowhere. And this ain't gonna go nowhere either. There. There, you guys. Happy with that? I am. So yeah, we might come out here tomorrow and there might be a little bit of puddle of water on here, but again, it's water resistant, so she should be fine. Anyway, that's that. I'm gonna go edit these videos, take a shower. Well, take a shower first, edit these videos, and then post them. All right, see you guys.